Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf channel. And in today's video I will be talking about the Bitcoin, but especially the Ethereum's price action, because it is forming a very good sign of a bullish, I would say, scenario in a couple of weeks and months, because of a breakout that is happening after 19 months, approx 20 months. So very important, and it also broke a very important resistance. So what is the next level and when can we enter in a trade or not? And if you remember my S&P 500 trade, that was ended in profits, not according to my analysis, but still I managed to make a good amount of money on that. Well, will we find some another entry in S&P 500 soon? All of this I will cover in my today's video. Before that, I want to discuss about a comment that was on my video. So a guy asked me that is it important that only technical analysis matter? So mainly he focused that there is not only technical analysis but also fundamental analysis in crypto. And I would say yes, this is right. Not only in crypto, forex, stocks and index, you take any asset sector, both the analysis are important, fundamental and technical. But technical mainly focus on price, and we trade on price only. Fundamental, I would say, is okay, but fundamental is only for a short period of time. Like if a news is coming, if a company's any major updates are coming, if you know those updates, if you are bullish on that, then the price will go up, as you can see. And about the Bitcoin fundamental, the halving is coming, or the ETF application is being accepted or rejected. So it's a short term event only, like for a couple of days only. But price action, if you consider it on daily or weekly or monthly, it is always a long term price action, and if you manage to capture it, you will make a good amount of money. I'm not saying that only trade on technical analysis. Also, if you like fundamental analysis, do trade on fundamental analysis, or if you like technical, then do trade on technical. But I would recommend to be a part of both of them. If you are a technical analysis trader, then also do have a look on fundamentals on crypto or any other sector you trade. I would say don't deep dive into it, but just have a look. So yeah, this was just my quick short answer to it. So now let's get into charts. So this is the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and right here, if you remembered my previous video, I told you that after this strong rejection to the downside, the important level of support, I would say minor support, will be somewhat over here at $41.4 thousand level. And many people will say that it is forming a head and shoulders or maybe a triple top pattern. Yes, it is, but it's important for the wait till the price do a breakdown of this level with a perfect retest, then we can enter short. Or if the price do a breakout of this important zone, as I'm saying again and again, $48,000 level right here, if it do a breakout and then a retest, then we can enter over here for a long trade. Right now I don't find anything on Bitcoin, any bullish or bearish scenario. It's just sideways. It was just a hype of the ETF and halving, etc., but now it's cooled down. Majority of the long traders that were expecting a huge move after the ETF approval got liquidated in this move, and then they occurred a loss. So it's better to not go long with very high leverage. Standing on the Ethereum's weekly time frame, I want to show you something. First of all, look at this level, this purple zone, I would say at $1,500 approx. So this is a very important zone. As you can clearly see, the price took a support from here. Just ignore these parallel channel right now, just focus on levels. So the price did a support from here, and then it went all the way up till here, this main important resistance zone, from 1965 to 2150 approx. And now after quite some weeks, the price of Ethereum did a breakout of this zone also. So now the next important level for Ethereum is 3182 3420. This next zone is a very important level of resistance. But shall we enter now in a long trade, or I would say I won't advise you to enter, or I won't give you orders to enter. You have to do your own analysis as well. I'm just giving my perspective. I will not enter here. I will wait if the price of Ethereum comes down halfway also, somewhat over here at 2290, or it will be better if the price of Ethereum comes down till here at $2,100, because now look at this parallel channel support right here. We have a support also, plus this rectangular support also. So these two support very good, I would say, confluence right there. This is a very important support. So if the price of Ethereum comes all the way down till here, then I can easily go long too. Do consider this important resistance right now, how the price of Ethereum is facing a rejection. But I would always say that don't focus on trend lines or parallel channels. Main focus is on levels. So this is a minor resistance right now, and I'm sure that either the price of Ethereum will see a reversal to downside, as I discussed somewhat over here at $2,100, or it will do a breakout and will go all the way up till here. If the price of Ethereum continues to go higher and higher and reaches this zone right here, then I will definitely not trade and will wait for next move, either a small correction from here to the downside or a breakout of this level. The chart that you saw in the thumbnail is this chart right here, and why I'm talking about is that you can clearly see the last breakdown of this important resistance before, I would say, last week was this right here. So it was in, I would say, 30th May 2022 when the price of Ethereum dumped hardly, and after that it never did a breakout of this important resistance, but it did now successfully. As you can clearly see, last week's candle, the buyers tried a lot to break this level to the upside, but the sellers rejected it. But this week's candle, I would say, is a very good bullish candle right here. And if you focus more on this level, because levels are very important, you can clearly see here is a resistance of a purple zone from $2,300 to $2,400. There is a very important resistance right here. So if the price of Ethereum, as I say, comes down for a correction till here also, then I will definitely go long. But as I showed you my previous chart, if the price of Ethereum comes all the way down till 2100 right here, this zone, I will definitely go long, or the halfway also somewhat over here. So let's see what happens. Yes, this is a very good breakout, I would say, because the volume of this candle right here is also very high. We can clearly see $1.3 million of Ethereum were bought last week. So very nice. 1 million Ethereum, I would say, was bought. So yeah, this analysis does not mean that okay, the price will definitely go up or definitely go down. I'm just assuming that okay, the breakout has done. If I find a good entry, I will definitely go long on Ethereum. If not, then let's see what happens next, because if the price of Ethereum gives a massive bullish pump to the upside, then it will definitely go all the way up. As I already told you, my target 3,500 to, I would say, approx $3,800. This is the target right here. At the last, coming to the S&P 500 chart, and you can clearly see we shorted S&P 500 over here, and I booked majority of my profits on this doji candle right here, and I exited somewhat over here in a loss, but overall it was profits. So we can clearly see that now for the past couple of days some doji candles are being formed right here. Dojis are somewhat neutral, so there's a saying that if a doji is formed, then the next candle decides where the market will go. If the next candle is a bullish candle and covers the doji, then the market usually goes up, and vice versa. So right now we can clearly see that a strong bearish candle is being formed today. Let's see what happens after this daily candles close, but I will wait for this candle. And of course, if this candle let me just say that what if the candle closes here only, exact here, still then what I will do is my setup will be simple. I will wait for a retest of the price somewhat over here. The price should come all the way up till here and then show some kind of reversal. Then I will go short on S&P 500. Why I am saying this? So if I come to the weekly chart of S&P 500, you can clearly see that this week's candle, bearish candle, is not of much high volume, nor it is a big body candle. Yes, it is Tuesday and the rest of the week is still remaining, so let's see what happens. But trading on just this small candle, I don't think so is good right now, so we'll wait for sure. So this is just a quick setup I shared with you on S&P 500, and my target will be usually this only, $4,584, and let's see where will be my stop loss. It will be according to the entry level that I get on S&P 500 in the future if my setup goes well. Guys, I hope you understand that how to take trade accordingly with a well managed setup and well managed conditions. Do not take a trade in FOMO, in greediness or in fear. Just have a setup, and when the setup is perfectly met, then only take a trade with proper stop loss, risk management and money management. I hope you understand all of this, and some people had comments on the technical or fundamental analysis. I hope your doubts are clear too. Thank you for watching my video, everyone. If you want to trade Bitcoin or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit. You can get up to $30,000 gift for free. Link is in the description and in the pinned comment, and you can create an account for free too. And if you want to trade S&P 500, Forex, stocks or any other commodity, you can do that on Xness. Link of Xness in the description and in the comment. You can get $1,000 bonus and you can create an account for free. So see you guys next time.